This DJ. This VJ. This video editor. And this light technician. They each have a world of power at their fingertips. And their fingers know where to go automatically. Everything is exactly where they need it. They have Mine S. Designed in Italy, Mine S is a customizable, programmable, hot swappable controller that you can set up however you want. Mine S can be used by anyone who needs versatility and precision. With a customizable and reconfigurable layout that adapts to users' ever-changing needs, Mine S is perfect for professionals and amateurs. Weighing in at just 2.2 pounds, Mine S is easily portable for any job. Its 6 modules give you unlimited flexibility. Each module remembers its own configuration, so you can easily hot swap a new one, even on the fly. Mine S works seamlessly with most protocols and programs. The configuration options are limitless. We built Mine S because no two projects or shows are ever the same. And your controller board doesn't need to be the same either. We built it to be durable. It grows with you. And now we're asking for your help. With your support, we can give musicians, producers, VJs, video editors, light technicians, and everyone else the most versatile controller on the market ever.